So I want to go ahead and inform you guys that the course is now available. I will be having a giveaway as a part of this course launch. And for this giveaway, I'll be giving away a store that I created using the same methods that are talked about in the course. And this store is actually generating $3,000 within the first 4 days. But I'll talk about that in just a second. I first want to let you guys know that the course will have a special pricing for this first week only. I will never have the course at this price again. So this is only for the first week. The original price of the course is $485, but for the special pricing, make sure to check out the link below. Again, I just want to make it very clear that that pricing would only be for the first week. You guys should scroll down to like the get started now section and you'll see 3 different prices. The first week pricing is the one-time payment and that's it. And again, that's only going to be for the first week. So after purchasing the course, apart from having access to all those videos, you do have access to me for the first 2 months to assist you in anything you may need help in. Let's just say that you get stuck creating your ad, I'll go ahead and help you out and kind of guide you along. The same thing with creating your store, or you can't seem to get something right, or you're not able to get any sales, or you need to work on your target audience or anything like that. I'm here to assist you, so you guys could feel free to reach out to me, and I will be putting you guys in a priority. I'll be helping you as much as I can. Again, you'll have access to me for the first 2 months to really help you and actually create a profitable store. Another thing that's included with the course is you guys have access to the Facebook private group, and in this group you guys could go ahead and post things after those 2 months, obviously, and I'll still go ahead and help you guys out. And I will also be going live in that private Facebook group once a week, so you guys could go ahead, ask any questions, and I'll answer them right on the spot. And I will upload those videos 2 weeks after they've been up on the Facebook group, just to give priority to the people who purchase the course. So the course will be broken down into 3 sections. We have the advanced dropshipping kit, which is obviously everything about Shopify, how to create your store, how to do the product research, how to deal with customers and whatnot. And then we have the branding kit. So in that section of the course, I'll be showing you guys how to create professional looking artwork and a really good looking site, as well as some key points on creating a professional looking ad so you stand apart from your competition. Then for the last section, we have the payment revive kit, which will help you guys get back into PayPal or Stripe or even your merchant processor. So that's for any of you guys who've been banned from those 3 platforms and can't accept payments. That's a really good section to go after, because I'll go ahead and teach you guys different ways to get back into it. Since I had to deal with a bunch of those issues, I found my way around Stripe, I found my way around PayPal, and the same thing with merchant processors. And for those of you who don't want the whole course and just want one section, either the branding section or you guys just want the payment revive section, I will be breaking down the course so you guys could just purchase those kits instead of buying the whole advanced dropshipping kit. So let's go ahead and talk about the giveaway. So the store that I created is basically created off of everything that I talk about in the course, especially on a video called Golden Ideas. So I used that video to find a niche for this store, and I managed to generate over $3,000 in the past 4 days using only the things I talked about in the course. So I will be selecting the winner for that store giveaway within the next 2 weeks, and I'll be showing you guys exactly how to maintain it and how to go ahead and scale it up. So you guys will know everything. You guys will know who to target, when to target, how to target. You guys will know what I use to find the product. You guys will basically know every little detail on maintaining that store, so you guys could go ahead and make the same returns that the current store is making at the moment. So this is only available for those of you who purchase the course. I just want to make it very clear. So with that said, that's pretty much it for the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.